Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Mammoth dual steering stabilizer kit for the 2014 to 2021 Ram 2500. This kit is a great option for Ram owners looking to enhance steering control, reduce shimmy and bump steer, and add a rugged, trail-ready upgrade to their steering system. Alright, the standout feature of this stabilizer kit is the dual monotube gas pressure design that significantly reduces steering shimmy and that bump steer. It's going to be ideal for handling in rough terrain or heavy duty loads, and it can really improve your overall steering performance. It features a mirror finished hard chrome piston rod for superior corrosion resistance and a leak-free sealing. Pair that with the Enos hydraulic oil and the Freudenberg seals to ensure consistent dampening across a wide operating temperature range. The outer steel housing is finished in this nice durable black powder coat, offering both toughness and a stealthy OEM style look under the truck. This kit is a complete package providing 2 stabilizer shocks, 2 tie rod brackets, axle and clamp brackets, U-bolts, nuts, and hardware. So there's no hunting for missing parts, and it's all gonna fix your steering in one nice complete package. Constructed with a monotube steel design, this kit provides reliable pressure and enhanced structural integrity. The hard chrome piston resists corrosion while the premium seals and the fluid maintain consistent dampening over time. The black steel housing not only looks rugged, but also resists wear and road debris. Now, as far as the pricing goes on this kit, it's coming in right around that $200 price range for everything you need for the install. With dual stabilizers, quality material, and fully loaded hardware, it represents a solid value for Ram owners looking to dramatically improve their steering performance. The installation on this is a straightforward swap, so it's getting rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have it installed in about 1 hour of your time. Now let's head on out to the shop, and they're going to give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how that install process goes.
For this install, you will need various impacts, 13, 14, 18, and 19 millimeter sockets, 18 and 19 millimeter wrenches, and a pry tool. What's up, folks? Today we're going to be doing a steering stabilizer kit on our Ram, so let's get started. Alrighty, folks, so we've got the truck in the air just for a better demonstration. You can very easily do this on the ground as well. Again, this is just to give you a better view. The first thing we're going to do is remove our factory stabilizer. So we're going to start by removing the 2 18 millimeter bolts on the tie rod end. So we've got our 18 mil socket and 18 mil wrench. We'll get these off. That one down. Get this other one off. So once you've got those 2 bolts out for your bracket, you want to grab yourself a pry tool, and we're going to pry the bracket off of our tie rod. Get that completely off. So that's nice and free. Now we're going to remove our factory bracket on our differential by taking off the 4 13 millimeter bolts holding that in place. So we've got our 13 millimeter socket. Get the 2 bottom ones off. Then we'll support our stabilizer. And we'll get these 2 top bolts off. Then we can pull our factory stabilizer out. Now we can begin installing our new stabilizer setup. The first thing we're going to do is install our center mounting bracket. That's going to go into the factory mounting spot on our differential. We're going to line this up. We're going to reuse our factory 13 millimeter bolts. Get our bottom ones in first, kind of helps us line everything up. We'll get our top 2 in. Then we'll tighten those down again with our 13 millimeter socket. Do the bottom first. And we'll get our top 2 in. Next, we can mount our outer brackets to our tie rods. So we're going to grab 2 of our provided U-bolts and our bracket, you want the mounting point to face in towards the center of the differential. Drop these U-bolts over top of our tie rod. Put that in place. We'll just kind of hold this and get our provided 13mm flange nuts onto our U-bolts. You want these to go on as even as possible. U-bolts tend to kind of twitch one way or the other if they're not evenly tightened. I have even spacing. Now once you've got this loosely in place, you can do the same thing on the other side. Now we can begin to mount our stabilizers themselves. So we're going to grab our secondary mounting bracket that's going to go on the other side of our center bracket. I'm going to line that up. You can take one of your provided bolts with flat washers, drop that through that bracket, and then through your stabilizer, like so. We're going to get this up into place. We'll hold that. We're going to get a flat washer and our lock nut loosely in place on there. Then we'll do the same thing for this side. Now for this one, we'll slide this in place. Get our bolt through. Might have to wiggle it around a little bit to get it to line up. And again, flat washer and lock nut. Now we'll get our other side of our stabilizers mounted to our tie rod brackets. So we'll bring this over. You may have to pull out your stabilizer shock just a little bit to get it to a good spot. You want to bring that in and get your other bolt and flat washer through your bracket and through your stabilizer. And on the other side of that, then you want to add a flat washer and a lock nut. And then we'll do the same thing for the other side. So now that we've got our stabilizers in place, you want to make sure they're even on both sides and not bottomed out on one side or the other. And once you've got that situated, we're going to grab our 14mm socket. We'll tighten down our outer brackets first. So we're going to tighten these U-bolts as evenly as possible. I'm going to keep this nice and straight while you're doing it. And once you've got this side tightened down, you can do the same thing for the other side. So now we can tighten down our stabilizer bolts. So we're going to grab a 19mm wrench and a 19mm socket. Tighten these down. We'll start with the center. Then we'll tighten down our outer bolts. And we'll do the same thing for this side. Now once you've got this all tightened down, you want to make sure to turn your steering wheel lock to lock and make sure it doesn't bind up or bottom out before you can get your full steering radius in. Alrighty folks, that about wraps up our review and install of our Mammoth dual steering stabilizer kit for your 14 to 21 Ram 2500 and 3500. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything Ram, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.